Welcome to Ford Bronco. This is the 2024 Bronco Big Bend. 2.3 liter, 10-speed transmission, tow hooks front and back, ready for summer for your off-road fun. Removable hardtop, you can take the doors off. Inside, heated seats, lane keeping, big screen, the 12-inch screen, dual climate control. You got roof panels that come out the front. You can take the whole top off. Folding rear seat, folds flat. Back of the Bronco, the door opens sideways for easy access for storage. Rear window opens to get the bigger stuff in. Full-size spare tire. Rear tow hook if you get in too deep. Come down to Merritt Ford today and check out this summer ride.